Loving yourself. Many believers are plagued in church with low self-esteem, justifiably so, maybe because of the background, but they are not taught that you can be free from it. Like you heard me say, many will find themselves aggressive, hurting innocent people, and if you ask them what is wrong, they can't give language to what is wrong. What is wrong has a history they have not studied. They don't know why they easily hate people. They don't know why they cannot have 2 week structured friendship. They must say something, they must be angry. Something in them rejoices when someone is crying. They are not necessarily evil, they are wounded people. They find consolation in the pain of one because it seems to give a picture that we are all the same. They hate exceptional people. They hate prosperous people. They hate people doing well. They hate people rejoicing. Something within them